look at Boyle's law. So Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided that what? The temperature remains constant. That means our volume V, that's the volume, right? This is sign for proportional, right? Proportional is inversely, that means your pressure should be in inverse form. That's why we have 1 all over P is in inverse form. Volume is inversely proportional to what? Pressure, provided that the temperature remains constant. Boyle's law is talking about volume and pressure. Temperature remains constant. Charles' law is talking about what? Volume and temperature. The pressure remains constant in Charles' law. Now, therefore, our volume V can be K all over P. This K is a mathematical constant and P is what? Pressure, while V is volume. Or you can represent it as PV is equal to K. K is a constant. So Charles' law can, Boyle's law, right? Talking about Boyle's law. So Boyle's law can also be represented as P1 V1 is equal to what? P2 V2. P1 V1 is equal to what? P2 V2. That means if the pressure is 1, the volume will be 1. If P is 1, V will be 1. If P is 2, V will also be 2. Are you following? A representation of Boyle's law. Now, if we have P1, we'll have what? V1. Guess where we have P2, we have what? V2. That's how it goes. The more this number is increasing, this one is increasing. This one is also, if you have P3, we also have V3. If we have P4, we also have what? V4. So the more the pressure increases, the volume also increases. So you use this formula to calculate either the volume or the pressure in Boyle's law. Now, if you are to calculate, let's say you have been given values of P1, V1, and then you have not been given the value of V2. What do? You make it what? The subject of the formula. This is simple. You just divide both sides by what? P2. Divide both sides by what? P2. This P2 will go with what? P2. You have V2 is equal to what? P1 V1 divided by P2. So you use it. If you are given, let's say, pressure 1 and you've not been given pressure 2, what you do here is you divide both sides by V2 so that you get your pressure 2. Are you following?
Yes.
You make it the subject of the formula, you get it.